Hey guys, it's Dr. Jessie at Power Girl Fitness and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're shaking up our salad game with the perfect thing to bring to your next summer picnic. This is my hot honey barbecue chicken salad. And if that doesn't make your mouth water, I don't know what will. Let's get into it. Time to prepare our spicy Dijon barbecue dressing. Start by adding a 1/4 cup of high protein Greek yogurt, followed by 2 tablespoons of sugar-free barbecue sauce. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon habanero mustard, 1 tablespoon lime juice, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, pinch of salt, and pepper. Then mix that all together. These are all of the ingredients that you're going to need for today's recipe. So we have our dressing, which we just finished preparing. We have 4 chicken breasts, which we're going to season with some garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and sweet paprika. I have a handful of fresh cilantro, 1 cucumber, 6 sweet peppers, a 1/4 cup of canned corn. Make sure your canned corn has no added sugar or salt, and you can also use fresh corn as well. And then I have a 1/4 cup of no sugar added barbecue sauce, 2 tablespoons of garlic sriracha, 1 tablespoon of raw honey. We're going to cut up some lime wedges, half of a red onion, 1 avocado, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, and 1 large head of lettuce. So go ahead and grab all of those ingredients and let's go. Start by washing and cutting your veggies. Just now I'm going to stack my cucumbers and then slice them in half. Just going to slice these into quarters. So I've removed the outer layer as well as the inside layer, so this works out to be about half of an onion or just 1 small onion. Time to add our seasonings, so we're going to start by adding about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil to our chicken, pinch of salt, about 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika. Then mix that all together. Bring a pan to medium-high heat, adding about 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Once your pan is hot, we can add in our chicken. Cooking our chicken for 6 to 8 minutes until it's no longer pink and fully cooked through. Once it's been a few minutes, we can go ahead and add in our sauces, so our barbecue, our sriracha, and our honey. Adding a little bit of arrowroot powder to thicken our sauce. This is about half a tablespoon. There we go. Look at that saucy chicken. We're done and ready to remove this from the heat. Time to assemble. Time to mix this all together. There you have it. Our hot honey barbecue chicken salad is done. It smells absolutely divine in here. I can't wait to dig into this, and I hope you enjoy it as much as me. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Make sure to give this one a try, and we'll see you next time.